Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect Dexscreener with Solflare. The process is actually very simple. So if you see that if I try to connect it through the settings over here, it only shows MetaMask, Rainbow or Wallet Connect, but we're trying to connect it to Solflare. So what you need to do for that is actually type in over here slash moonshot, just like so, and this should come up. Now at the top right you'll see something called connect. Click on this. Now you see that under Solana there is Solflare, so just click on Solflare, and then you want to either do you want to select an auto connect or not. If you do, then click on connect, and now as you can see that your Solflare account, which is this one for me, has already been connected, but it might ask you to put in the details, and for that you just need to put in your Solflare details, and there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.